Hello, my great people. Please dance with me, dance with me. I am so happy because I'm about to eat one of my favorite snacks. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes. Yes. I'm about to eat this delicious meat pie. Guys, here is the outcome. Can you see that? Oh my god, I can't just wait to. Guys, do you know why I like this meat pie? Let me first of all taste. Oh shit. Can you see that? Can you see how rich it is inside? And I have my little pepper here. Can you see? Just a little, not too much. Wow. This is, delicious. Then guys, when the good thing about this meat pie is as you're eating, you are seeing the chunks of meat. You are eating the chunks of meat with together. So delicious, dear friends. Can you see? Wow. Guys, this is what you need to do. Making your meat pie, start considering wheat flour as the game changer. Yes, you heard me. Start considering wheat flour as the game changer. If you don't want to have anything to do with high cholesterol, start considering wheat flour as the game changer. See, do you know why I'm happy? I'm not only happy as I'm eating chunks of meat, because I didn't make this meat pie the normal way everyone does, like blending the meat. No, I made it learning from one of my all-time seller when I was still 4 years old. You know, my grandfather used to buy it for us. He will make this meat pie and sell them 100 francs, and you're eating meat pie. You're eating chunks of meat from that meat pie. But today generation, they are blending everything. I'm sorry, I'm using that generation. Guys, let me eat again. This is delicious. So guys, this is good because one, you have no or less cholesterol. The only difference, you would think that, oh, it has butter, but when it comes to do with flour, the white processed flour, you are free from that high cholesterol. I compared eating this with the normal one, the normal flour. Each time when I eat meat pie using the normal flour, my god, the next day I'll feel like someone has beaten me. Can you feel me? Like when you're eating palm oil, like you feel so tired. You enjoy that food at that moment, but your body will cry after that time. So I will always be tired eating just one meat pie, but I'm already feel like someone has beaten me, and I will climb on the scale, my weight has added. So guys, I decided to start everything healthy, so I said, let me try this, and I tried that for the first time. I think this should be the third time I'm doing this using the wheat flour. I checked my weight, it was just the same, like a little bit of increase, but immediately after like 4 hours, everything has burned down. My weight instead reduced. God, guys, this is the funniest part, and this is the most sweetest part. When you eat this, your weight instead reduces. Your weight instead reduces, which simply means you can eat as many quantity as you can. Even 2 or 3 is good, and the next day everything has balanced back without increasing any cholesterol in your body. So is this not a game changer? Is this not a game changer? Is this not a game changer, guys? I'm super happy. So guys, try this out and you will thank me later. Can you see that chunks of meat? See? You see the chunks of meat? Yeah, that's it. Replace refined grains with whole grains. If you are using white flour, enriched flour, or all-purpose flour, replace it with whole wheat flour or spelled. If you are using white rice, replace it with brown rice. Parboiled rice, replace with white rice. Cream of wheat, replace with oats. And the rest, the corn flour, replace with whole grains, oat or cornmeal. Than to be using the refined corn flour, it's preferable you use the whole grain cornmeal. So guys, let's see something here. There are 2 things involved. We have the white flour and the whole grain flour. Both of them will earn you the same calories. Like if you're eating pasta, it will give you 344 calories, and you're also eating the white pasta, it will also give you 344 calories. If you're eating whole wheat bread, 95 calories. If you're eating the white bread, 95 calories. But there is a difference here, and this is very important, because whole grains are made of fiber, which does not impact the body composition directly. It easily breaks down and your body becomes normal. You don't feel, within some few hours you can easily burn them down. But with the white flour, the refined flour is a different thing. You will eat and it will store that fat or the calories there for a very, very long time before it even wants to break down. But both of them have the same calories, but which one burns faster? The whole wheat burns faster than the white flour. So both calories should not scare you. You are on a safer side if you stick to the whole grain flour. That's the reason when I was eating the meat pie, I really enjoyed eating it. I was really satisfied and I ate much quantities, but within about 2 to 3 hours, I felt like I wanted to eat more again. I was instead hungry. I felt like I wanted to eat again because it was already burned out. So that's the difference. But with the white flour, it will stay in your body even to the next or the following day, and you start feeling tired because of what? It is increasing cholesterol in your body. So guys, tell me in the comment section, which will you go in for? And which is better for you? Is it the whole wheat flour or the refined flour? I'm sure you already know what is best for you. Please, I know that healthy living is very hard. It's a very difficult thing. As a matter of fact, it doesn't taste good, but it's better, it's healthier, and it's safer. So guys, I prefer you make whatever pastry you're making. Is it meat pie or bread or whichever pastry you're making? Please go for whole wheat flour. The result will all be the same, but the difference is one will easily break down than the other, which is no other than the whole wheat flour. Guys, if you are looking for which whole wheat flour to start with, you can go with this favorite of mine, atta flour. This is my favorite, the best of the best. Like whenever I'm making fufu, I use it. When I want to fry pancake, I use it. I want to make bread, I use it. When I want to bake cookies or I want to bake any pastry, I use atta flour. If I don't have this, I make use of oat flour. So guys, I hope this will help you, and if you find this video interesting, please do not forget to give us that thumbs up, and see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.